walk like a beauty queen. 400. I don't think I'll be able to walk tomorrow. Done for the day. Hey people, welcome back to Waka Waka. Abby here. So for this week, what I'll be starting off with is to do 500 squats every day for the next 1 week. And here in the Philippines, because of the lockdown, it's been so hard to work out because the gyms are locked, and also you can't even go outside to run. And I feel like I've been slacking off because we're on lockdown and I can just feel a bit relaxed. So with this challenge, I'll be able to meet up with my daily requirement of workout and just follow it strictly. So you see you guys in the vlog. At the beginning of this vlog, taking my measurement was a great idea, but as I proceeded into the challenge, all of my desires for result went out the window, and it all became more about me finishing the squat. You know what they say about the first step being the hardest? Well, in this case, after making the introduction for this vlog, saying that I was going to do the 500 squats every day, it took me another 5 days after making the introduction before starting the challenge. I had just done my first 100 and I'm breathing so hard. Into the day, I'll be doing the remaining 400 and I'll be recording it too. So see you guys in the next 400. I'm telling you people, I did not have a lot of experiences with exercises, but in my little lifetime, this would definitely be a memorable one. So I have here 10 benefits of squats and why every girl should try doing squats. Okay, they're good for digestion, help build muscles throughout the body. You can do squats exercise anywhere and you don't need any accessory or equipment. You will walk like a beauty queen because it helps improve your posture, also build better balance. It helps burn fat and can help you lose weight. Okay, get rounder butt. Squat exercise, tone your legs. Yeah, I'm all about that. I'm all for that. For day 2, I started with some stretches and added some movement to the squat. That's me lying down on the floor. This challenge is a killer. There's a saying where I come from, which is, we'll send you. If you ever come across a Nigerian, just ask them what it means, because I cannot even begin to go into the details of what this saying actually means. Now back to me exercising. This is a difficult task. Like, I just did my first 100 for the day, and I actually did it in my bathroom because I just took a shower and I had to basically make this plan of not leaving the bathroom until I did 100. That way I can just go ahead with at least 200 in the morning. The third day was the same struggle. Did about 200 in the morning, but then I had a rising temperature and could not continue. And there is my concluding speech. Today is the third day of the 500 squats challenge, but I've done 200 so far, and that is because this really hurt so much and I don't think I can continue for today. So I'm just gonna rest and wait till tomorrow to see how I'm feeling and try to continue. So see you guys in the rest of the video. I later decided to add some stretches, like proper stretches, and that helped a lot. I just finished my 500 squats for the day and I have some alcohol here. I am in so much pain that I need something to just numb it down. So learning from my previous mistake, I basically incorporated stretches in between all of the squats as I did even till the end of the challenge. 80. Uh, uh, uh. What I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna set my alarm for every 15 minutes. I'm gonna do 100 squats or as much as I can do, and then rest for another 15 minutes. So, see you guys. 300 so far. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Here comes the 6th day. I felt more confident with the squats, less whining of course, and it was all beginning to make sense. This is crazy. Don't try this at home. Today is the last day of my 500 squat challenge, and I am so excited to be done with this. Guys, this is so difficult. I can add it to one of the most difficult things I've ever done in my life. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and look forward to my other fun vlogs, and thank you guys for watching. I've just done 50 of this jump squat. Now I'm going to go to the regular squat and try to complete the remaining normal squats. Fuck.